Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by mapping the sidecar footprint to the bike. Measure wheelbase, axle height, and desired offset so components align. Cut and mock up a rectangular steel frame to match those measurements. You want a rigid base that sits level with the bike axle. Once done, clamp the frame alongside the bike to check clearance for pedals, kickstand, and turning radius. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection while cutting and keep spare bolts and washers within reach. Now attach the mounting struts. Fit a front strut near the head tube, a rear strut at the seat tube or chainstay, and a lateral brace to keep alignment. Weld or bolt 5 mm reinforcement plates where the struts meet the bike frame to prevent crush. This distributes load and reduces stress risers. For ride comfort, install a simple pivot with a rubber bushing or a leaf spring assembly between frame and sidecar wheel. Make sure to check clearances again and torque all 3/8 bolts evenly. Finish by mounting the body shell and seat, confirming at least 150 mm clearance from the bicycle wheel to avoid rubbing. Once assembled, align the sidecar wheel for neutral tracking. Adjust toe and a slight positive camber if needed. Then test steering drag at walking speed, and finally at 5-10 km/h. Load test with weight equal to payload, retorque all fasteners, and fit reflectors and a safety flag. If you notice pull or wobble, tighten mounts and recheck alignment. Loosening mounts is...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.